Hello my dear friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video I am going to show you how you can compare two data sheets in an Excel and extract matching and non-matching rows from them, and we can move that rows to the third sheet. And all this we are going to do with a single formula. So let's get started. You can see here in the Excel I have one sheet where I have some data, that is the name, age and city. The same thing in the sheet 2 I am having a different names and the city. Here you can see Sneha, Priya. Two of the name are available in this. But think about if you have thousands of row and you want to filter it out, which names are not available, or to compare the common names. Okay, we are going to see both the scenarios with the same formula, just with a small twist. Okay, and this is the output with the formula. I'm just going to remove it right now and will show you from the scratch. Okay, so first of all, let's take an example. We are just going to use filter and match over here. Filter is going to pull out all the data and match is going to work for us to compare the values. So let's write the formula over here and see our output equal to filter, and we are just going to look in the sheet 1. We need these values. I'm just pulling up to A2 to C10 right now. Possibility in future we can add some more rows over here. So that's it. Comma. We need to check. So I'm just going to use a function is number and with the match function. And here what we are going to match this value with in the sheet 2 whatever it is there over here. Okay, extending the values comma 0 and then completing all the brackets, and let's see what is output. Yep, we get Priya and Sneha because Priya and Sneha are available in this sheet as well as in this sheet. Okay, so we are getting a match. In case if let me put Arjun name in the sheet 2, so what is the output over there in the sheet 3? Yeah, we get Arjun also over here. See, this is the match. And now let's see what are the unmatched. So in this formula, the same formula, I'm just copying this formula. I'm just going to copy this formula and going to paste here. Sorry, let me copy again. Control C and Control V. But instead of is number, I'm just going to change with is NA. Okay, and enter, and this is going to return us the non-matching values. But you can see that we are getting some extra zeros because as we have compared up to A2 to C10, it is giving us the rest of the zeros. How to handle this? Nothing is hard in Excel. Just copy this. I'm just copying this value, putting an extra bracket, multiplying this value with this, and putting a condition that if it is not blank, then only calculate. And here we have it. And see, Rahul, Arjun, and Sanjay are in a non-matching value. What if we again copy this Arjun from this and put over here? Let's see what is the output. Yep. In a non-matching area, we see two names. In a matching area, we see three. And that's it. You can now format sheet 3 with a table style or filter to make it more user-friendly and adjust like that. Your sheet 3 became a smart comparison report between two data sheets. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Excel tips. Comment below if you like to see a version using VBA or dynamic drop downs or something else. Thanks for watching.